This is model FCBP111. I'm going to do a blood pressure test, pressing the start button. I may have to press the button one more time. I'm going to hold the machine for you so you can see the display. If you incorrectly do this, you're going to get a ERR 4. As this takes a measurement, I should be like 120/80 with about 80 heartbeat. I am going to show you how to put it into the memory and delete the memory. I'm going to show you how to change a couple of things through the manual. They give you a how-to guide and instruction manual. We're going to get a nice close-up look at the unit and show you how to operate it. The unit runs off of a power supply, USB-C. Any charging port will do. The unit has a start, stop, a set, a memory, and a user. There are ways to get into the memory and set the machine up via the instruction booklets. On the side of the machine is where you plug in the band, the cord. On the bottom of the machine will be where the audible and 4 rubber pads are at. I keep my thumb over the door and I slide my other thumb down. So this way the door don't fly off. There are 4 AA batteries that you can replace. They are given with the product. They are included. Place back on the door just about the same way. And what you're going to do is plug in the machine. I hit the on button and the machine will come on and throw an error if there is no arms in here. ERR4 is the error for no arm. There is 1 and 2 memory modes, user guide. Please use alkaline or heavy duty batteries for the unit or plug in the machine to use via the battery. It is portable. User 1 and user 2. If you go to memory, this is the first one I've done, memory 1. I believe you just hold on to the memory and it should save user 1 or clear it. Long press will clear the memory. There is user 2. You want to clear user 2, just long press. With the instructions in the background, user setting. Press the user button when power off. The screen will display 1 or 2. Here's user. There's number 2. Press the user button again to switch between 1 and 2. Press the start stop button to confirm the user. Exit the switch. So now I should be on user number 2. Unit settings. Long press the set button when power off to change the previous unit. 1, 2, 3, 4. As you can see, now you're able to change the different units of measurements. And then you press the start and stop button. It is really that simple to operate the machine. To read the memory, press the memory button while the unit is off. It'll come up with number 2 or number 1, and it will show this display of the person. If you want to delete number 2, you just long press on the memory and that will clear the system. The machine is very easy to operate. That is the on and off button. There is a plastic film that you will take off. It is best to operate the machine via the power port versus the battery. Let's set this up and show you how to put it on. You're going to open up the unit or leave it like so to make it a little easier to grab. You're going to take your 4 fingers from the bent part of the elbow, and this is where that little air pump is going to go, the tube. You're going to slide it on. 4 fingers is about here. You want to keep your elbows nice and bent. What you're going to do is open up. You're going to pull, not super tight. You're going to pull tight enough that it sits on your arm. You should be able to adjust it. When everything is out of the way and you're nice and comfortable sitting, you're going to turn the machine on. I'm on number 2. I am relaxed. In a minute's time, the test will be over.
The more people who might be intolerant of you or hurt you, the more I love you, the more I support you.
I am 123 over 80, 81 pulse, user 2. When I'm all done, I simply pull the machine. Well, let's say you do your test by turning the machine on. And it's pumping too tight, you just hit the stop button. And the machine will shut off. This is how you use your blood pressure machine. I could turn my machine on by looking at user number 2, then I could hit the memory and set it up. And there I am, 123 over 80. I am good to go. It will save my settings for 24 hours. I hope this product, blood pressure monitor, may help you check your blood pressure, and you have to make a decision if this is a machine that's going to help you out with checking your blood pressure. In no ways and means are we going to offer advice. This advice will be all up to you to decide if this machine is right for you. I hope this product is something that you're looking for in checking blood pressure monitoring. Hope you enjoy your product.